And staying on cricket, Ferguson, Rose Hall and Mayfield Primary Schools began the inaugural Tropical Blue Spring Water Tampa Premier Cricket League All-Island Primary Schools cricket competition with victories at the weekend. Courtney Morgan reports.
At the Mayday High School in Mandeville, the Ferguson Primary, playing their first ever cricket competition, surprised Fairfield Primary in an exciting, closely contested match. Batting first, Ferguson scored 132 for 8 from the allotted 30 overs. Kyle Folks, the top scorer, with 25 runs, against Nathan Lilly, 4 for 30. Replying, Fairfield fell painfully short by a single run, scoring 131 from their 30 overs. Meanwhile, at the Bowes Oval on the Manchester Central border, Rose Hall were winners over Morningside Primary. Batting first, Morningside were bowled out for 70. Rose Hall replied with 79 for 4 in the 20 overs aside contest. In the days of the match, Mayfield Primary amassed 117 runs for 6 wickets, then restricted Brinkley Primary to 80 runs for 7 wickets from their 20 overs. Principals of Fairfield and Ferguson Primary Schools, Colette McLean Harding and Zonette Smith, respectively, spoke of the benefit of the competition to their schools.
I realized that this competition provides the students with the opportunity to not just to develop physically, but socially. As I watched them a while ago dining at the table, I was most impressed. Them using their knives and forks. So it's not just a competition that helped them to just play sports. It surpasses that, and that brings me a lot of satisfaction to know that the children are developing rounded.
Aside from the game, the cricket seeks to expose the children to holistic development. Today they had lunch using fine cutlery and all of that. So we know that cricket is a gentleman's game. And so we are very happy. It helps with the discipline and all of that.
Matches continue this Saturday. Courtney Morgan, TVJ Sports.